purpose of this video is to explain the celebrity chemical reactions assignment. This is an analogy assignment. Instead of using formulas and symbols, we are going to use images to represent elements and compounds. This is a useful strategy to remember things. The brain seems to remember pictures better than big long sentences of information. There are 4 types of reactions that I've asked you to do. I suggest putting one reaction on a page or a slide. A formation reaction is when 2 elements join together to make a larger entity known as a compound. I'm going to use the formation of sodium chloride to explain this. If you take a look at the periodic table, sodium is number 11. It is a symbol that is by itself. It's not beside anything else. That's how I know it is an element. When I see 2 different symbols together, that means that it is a compound. So here, sodium and chloride are together. Now I'm going to build my analogy. I love Calvin and Hobbes. So I'm going to use the Calvin and Hobbes character. I did an image search for Calvin and Hobbes and got all these great things here. So I need to find an image of Calvin by himself. Let's see if I can do that. Okay. Oh, I didn't mean to do that. Okay. So I'm going to copy this image. I'm going to put it here. Now it pasted a larger comic strip. I don't need it all. So I'm just going to trim it down so that it's just Calvin. Okay, there we go. Okay. Then I'm going to find a picture of Hobbes. Okay. I think I can copy this one, so it's just a Hobbes picture. Sorry, I didn't grab the right handle. There we go. Okay, now I've got a Hobbes picture. So I have element, which is represented by Calvin. I have another element, which is represented by Hobbes. Now I need them together to show the compound formula. I'm just going to use the same picture and paste it here.
Heidi.
Okay, now I need to add in some symbols because I need a plus here and I need an arrow on this side. So just slide in an arrow there and here. Okay, so I'll just make a plus sign. All right, so now I have an analogy which shows 2 individual things coming together to form a compound. This is what you need to do for the other 3 slides. You need to also show decomposition reaction, single replacement, and a double replacement. I encourage you to have a little bit of fun with this. Like for celebrities, you can use characters from a movie. Anime, if you like comics, use characters from a comics. If you want to use pictures from your Snapchat account, that's okay too, as long as they're appropriate. But have a little bit of fun with this. If you have any questions, please